Okay, the intermediate value theorem is a direct result of continuity. If f is continuous on a closed interval, and n is any number between f of a and f of b, where they're not equal to each other, as long as the endpoints aren't equal to each other, then there's a number that sits between a and b such that f of c equals n. Let's look at a picture. Okay, so here's a continuous function. There's a, there's b. If I pick any number between f of a and f of b, the outputs, then there is an input that will map to that point because it's continuous. It has no holes or breaks. So, show there is a root of the polynomial 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0 between 1 and 2. How can I do that? Well, let's look at f of 1 and f of 2. It's not e of x, it's just example. So I'm going to name it f, just so I can plug 1 and 2 in and have it labeled. So f of 1, yeah, it's a job for the calculator. Turn it on, edit my table function, get rid of the old thing, 4x to the third minus 6x squared plus 3x minus 2. I want to plug in 1 and I want to plug in 2. So at 1 it's equal to negative 1. F of 2 is equal to 12. Since all polynomials are continuous everywhere, that means that between 1 and 2, the outputs go from negative 1 to 12 without any holes or breaks, so it has to cross the x-axis. It takes on all values between f of 1 and f of 2. So between negative 1 and 12, which implies f of c is equal to 0 for some number c that lives between 1 and 2, for some c such that and those should be strict inequalities because we know that it's not equal at 1 or 2. Easy enough. There's the pretty answer and there's the picture. There's zooming in on the picture. Okay, so that was a quickie. That's the intermediate value theorem. You have all the knowledge you need for your WebAssign for this section, and I'm going to go have lunch.